No, no, not this. Okay.
Canada's okay. Yeah, I'll move
Okay.
Canada. I'll move.
Okay. Because
Yeah, I understand.
the problems with Israel. We don't believe in Israel.
I understand.
As country, we don't believe in Israel. That's why I don't like it.
Yeah, we'll change it. No worries. Canada.
Canada is okay.
Yes, Canada. Everyone likes Canada.
Canada is
Very
Algerian
neutral
country.
place.
You can say Canada. There is a lot of population of Algerians living in Canada.
Canada's a good place.
This flag we don't accept it. Woo! Enfin, كما عارفين احنا العالم الاسرائيلي لا نؤمن باسرائيل كدولة ولا نؤمن بها. قمنا بتغيير العلم، وضعنا علم كندا في مكان العلم الصهيوني. نحن لا نؤمن بدولة ببني صهيون كدولة، ولو كان نوضعوا العلم الفلسطيني ما نحطوش. السعودية، تركيا، اليابان. We don't have any problem with any country. Only that stupid country we don't believe it.